We're going to talk about a new idea that will revolutionize food packaging. And we found a way to extend the life of perishable foods, especially in aseptic packaging like tetrapaks and packaging for juice, wine, yogurt. What we're doing is focusing our experiment completely on oranges and orange juice to determine the exact frequencies to fine-tune the package in. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to take the science of the music of the plants and the piezoelectricity current that's flowing through these oranges that are making the music you're hearing right now, and we're going to apply that to and to see the vibration and how it shows up and reads on Giulio's equipment.
My name is Giulio Ranalli, and I am in charge of the engineering part of this project. What we are doing in this time is to try to use these signals that are produced by the orange or to apply it to a kind of stimulation to the juice that is already inside the packages. The vibration that is coming from the outer environment is defining which one will be better for to try to maintain the juice more fresh.
What Giulio's trying to explain is that we have the ability to fine-tune the tetrapak into a way to receive that vibration to extend the life of the food, which is pretty exciting.
Yes, and it's not just the sound, as Michael said, that is any other kind of vibration that can be produced by the movement of the air inside the fridge or movement produced by vibration underneath the fridge. We are just beginning to enter in a field that is mostly totally unknown. So we have to try to do some different pattern and see how they interact with the fluid. This way we will see in the same time the difference from a box that is in the original form and a box that has already been modified.
There are some amazing things that can happen inside of a Tetra Pak or aseptic packaging that only happen because of modifying the textures and the surfaces inside the packaging to amplify and receive and enhance vibration. So we focus 80% of our energies towards modifying the bottom of the tetra because that's where you receive the most vibration from shelving, from delivery, from distribution. That's where the pathogens begin to settle into the juice. That's where the bacteria begins, and that's where the food and the juice begins to go bad. The front of the Tetra Pak is designed to receive the vibration from the opening and the shutting of the refrigeration doors. This pressure change in the refrigeration is a huge energy source. And when I say energy source, I mean vitality in the food. What are we seeing today on the monitor?
We are seeing a quite different graphic because in this box here we already have some change that is the surface, the internal surface has been made with some of these plates, creating a print inside that is a 3D print, not just.
This material can be embossed with these textures at the point of printing, which does not require huge amounts of money on the front line. We're asking you to adopt a new belief about sound, about vibration, and about how we package things. The time is now to connect with nature, understand it, to copy it, and to mimic it onto human-made products in order to solve our problems. And packaging, food packaging, is one of the biggest environmental problems on the planet. We have 3 prototypes that we put together, and in those 3 prototypes we're seeing differences in vibration levels, and we're making recordings of our observations and our discoveries every day. But we're students of nature. We're not here to tell you anything about nature that maybe you don't already know, but nature is very intuitive. Um, and one of the things I think we're missing right now is a connection with nature, and I can certainly tell you we're missing that in our packaging. Just we're consultants, we're engineers, we're artists, we're illustrators, and we're builders, and we're CAD modelers. What we're trying to do is cohesively work with a company so that we can begin to develop this technology on a very limited budget. We're a trilingual team here with the ability to meet companies in person as well as virtually. We encourage your participation, we encourage your curiosity, and we encourage you to assist us develop this technology for your company.
In any moment we are available for to get in touch with you. So thank you very much for your time, and hopefully we can do something together.
We explain piezoelectricity, explain what it is. We didn't explain where it comes from. Another day.